Roger, clear to land, runway 17, Sierra Echo Alpha.
Alright everybody, we've got to land. We're cleared to land. We've got to set the airplane up for landing. So, let's get our first notch of flaps. Speed is good, below 175. I'm actually going to slow up a little bit further because I hate putting flaps down and gear down right at the maximum speed. So, we're below 175, well enough below 175. We had 15 degrees of flaps. Bring the power back. We're going to throw the landing gear down. We've got high pressure lights on. Gear unlock light is on. And we got 3 green, none in the mirror. Mixtures, props are full, prop sinks off, and switches. Anti-collision, nav lights, taxi light is on. We're not going to throw the landing light on, we're just going to leave the taxi light on. And we want to maintain about 130 knots here, so I'm going to slow up a little bit. And you can see that there, our little trend indicator here, so I'm going to add a little bit more power here. But we still got to get one more stage of flaps. We're going to land with 30 degrees, so we're below 145 knots, add one more stage of flap. Belts, brakes, gear, 3 green, none in the mirror. Mixtures, props, and switches. Alright. Gear, props, flaps are set. We are clear to land. Those are the flow checks, everybody. Make sure you do them in addition to the actual aircraft checklist. But it's a flow check I like to do in every airplane, whether it's fixed gear or not. Now, we're slowing up here to about 110 to 120. And we want to cross at about, in this case it's just myself on board, we got light fuel, we'll cross at about 102 knots. And I'm going to come back on the power a little bit more, just walk the power levers back. We have to land with a little bit of power. Gear, props, flaps, runway's clear. We're going to continue. Alright, because we're light, I'm back on the power even a little bit more. There's 106. There's 102. That's looking good. That's looking good. Just going to leave the power there. Leave the power there. And just fly it down. Real nice. Ooh. Let's see here. Oh, beautiful. Lovely. Little beta. Flaps can come up, so we get effective braking. Pressurization can come off. And look at that. We could technically exit here on this other runway, but we'll go to Charlie here ahead. Awesome. Good landing, everybody. That's how you do it.